guys, so today's video is sponsored by Dashboard Beauty, which is a brand that they have a website, but they also sell off Amazon, and they approached me and offered to send me their 3-bit kit to do like an unboxing and a review of. And what they probably did not realize is that I am brutally honest, and so you guys are gonna hear my full, completely unbiased opinion of these bits and everything I have to say. The one thing that I would want to mention is that the person that approached me has a blog on the website, on the Dashboard Beauty website, that has a whole bunch of just different topics that are nail related, geared towards professionals, and there's some really good information on there. So if you are looking for just something to read through, if you got some extra time to spare, I will put a link to that in the description box below, so check that out. I know she has just some really good ones on just different basic nail topics, acrylic, etc., and on using bits and things like that. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely check that out. Otherwise, I do have a discount code in the description box below, as well as a link to these bits, but watch my video first and you will see exactly what I have to say about them. I hope this video you find helpful, and I hope it also just reassures you that when I say I love a product, it is my honest opinion and I can't be bought. So yeah, there we go. This is all about Dashboard Beauty. Enjoy!
So here is the unboxing. I'm going to first just cut open this package, and I'm going to show you using them on myself. My nails are in desperate need of a fill and rebalance, so we're going to play around with them too. So this box is really very cute. I love the little box that they're in. It's got some gold or some silver foiling on it. Just gives it kind of a nice fancier little touch. It's got some stuff on the back that's all pretty basic bit knowledge. So then we're going to open the box up, move these couple little pieces of information out of the way. Nothing really much is on there, just, you know, little, please check us out on social media and such. So here are the bits. On the inside of the box, it says to use your thumb to get them out. I tried and I failed, but a cuticle pusher that I had sitting right next to me just popped them right out, so they came out no problem at all. Actually, very easily I got them out by doing that. And so now I'm going to move that box to the side, and we're going to look at these bits. So I'm going to first use the one that is the safety bit, that is a coarse, and then I don't know for sure what that other bit is as far as I think it's probably a medium grit bit, if I were to guess, or it looks pretty coarse, but I'm going to use that for set safety one and just test it out. So I turn on my dust collector. I've got my e-file on about a medium speed, and I'm going to start working on it. Now, the first thing I noticed when I started using these is that I could feel the vibrations in both of my hands. So I couldn't, normally when I use my bits that I use typically, I don't feel anything with either hand. And these I felt like an intense vibration, like it went into my wrist. And so I thought maybe that one's not the one I want to use. Let me try out this other one. So then I switched to the nut, just the regular barrel bit, and I tried that out. And hopefully you guys can see this on camera. It left grooves in the nail. It didn't file anything off smoothly. And I think these bits aren't cut very well. So it left like a very heavy texture that would be horrible to refill or to balance, because it has this texture to it. And it's the same thing. I actually felt the vibrations in my hands even more severely with that one than the first one. So then I went back to the other one, and I'm going to try to go back to it. And I got to the point where usually I'll file off all the color acrylic down to the thin clear layer on my nails, but I didn't feel comfortable doing that with these bits. So I didn't file them down that much, and I left a nice layer of acrylic on. And after these two nails, I just thought to myself, nope, I'm not touching my nails with these again. And I switched to my favorite bits. So that's kind of my total gist on these. Definitely check out the blog that I mentioned if you have some time to spare and want to just do some nice light reading. But as far as the bits actually go, these aren't my favorite. I don't think that the price point is low enough to make them worth the trauma I was feeling. And I would never ever use these on a client. I would feel so I don't know, just uncomfortable using one of these on a client, because they're not what a client should feel. They should not feel this vibration. That is the mark of a very poorly cut bit. And not only are these poorly cut to where they don't feel nice, they also don't remove the product very quickly. Like, it is taking me forever to get rid of this little acrylic ombre that I had on my thumbnail. Normally with my other bits that I use, I can just zap that off and it's like not a problem at all. It's like removing gel polish. I use a coarse or an extra coarse bit that's very smoothly cut, and I can just get rid of stuff and I don't even feel it. It's like butter. And this one, it was like trying to saw through an oak tree in your backyard. It just was not was not the thing. So I got this all the way down to my clear base eventually. I was like, I'm just going to do it. And I actually gave myself a little ring of fire on the one side, which I don't ever do. So I was not really that impressed. And I hope you guys, like I said, I hope this just sort of gives you a peace of mind that what I say is how I feel. And come back tomorrow. I've got a different video that might be a little bit more interesting. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.